The world's biggest sale of the year will be this Friday, November the 11th. So it is the 11th of the 11th sale on Aliexpress. You can get home decor, tech, gadgets, kitchen appliances, anything you need for the home, you can get on Aliexpress. I have always shopped on Aliexpress. It's one of my favorite places to shop. So I am here checking out their products. So I'm in the home decor department just to see what they have for the decor pieces, and then I will show you a few in the tech, toy and other areas that you can purchase this Aliexpress sale. So I've shared with you Black Friday deals already with Walmart and other stores, and I just need to drop this one in before the day begins. So if you're interested, ensure you head on over to Aliexpress to check out their pieces. So this diffuser, I had to check it here on Aliexpress. It was on Amazon for $26, $32 and different prices. It's here on Aliexpress for only $14. You drop your favorite essential oil in and it gives a realistic flame that changes in different color of your choice. These are a few actual pics of customer purchases that they sent in just to show you what it actually looks like. I saw a young lady reviewed it as well, and it's a great product that you can purchase. It's a great way to make your home smell good. Now we're heading to another department now, and this area is the candle light. So we can try candles first and then we try the candle lighter. So there are a few candles here that you can purchase in sets. So you can get a set of 24 candles for as low as $9.76. They have other candles that you can get for like $21. These are flameless candles, LED. These are great to help make this place feel and look cozy. Lighting is important. Different form of lighting let the place feel and look cozy. So candles are a thing that you can purchase from Aliexpress during their sale at great prices. Also with candles, they have some that are battery operated that are LED that you can change the colors as well. So you can always try to get their candle. Now with candles, we can try the candle lighter. Now on Amazon, you know, these go for like $10, $7, $15. So if you wish, you can purchase a few here. They have them for $6 here as well, $5, $7. So it depends on the seller that you choose to purchase from. So candle lighter is great to purchase. Checking out their smart plugs. What are their prices on the smart plugs and the smart bulb? Their smart bulb that changes in different color, you can purchase them single or you can get them in sets of $3, $4, $7, $8, $3. So as you can see, these prices aren't really bad. You can get a set of 3. You can get them in different wattage, different color. They have them in where you can get the remote and change the color as well. So let us check out their sofa covers. Now, as you watch this channel, you will realize I did a lot of makeover in my living room. Before I have this current sofa, I used to purchase sofa covers. Now, sofa cover is a great way to change the look of your cover. Now, as you can see, they show you how to measure the sofa to decide what size cover you need. So you can get sofa covers for $11 depending on the size or the seat of your sofa. They have them in various color choices that you can choose from. So for $11 for a sofa cover, not bad at all. Just to change the look of your sofa, it's a great thing to purchase. They have them in a wide variety of colors that you can choose from. So if you're interested in sofa cover, you can always check out that on Aliexpress. They are big on sofa covers. They have many stores that sell sofa cover in different designs. And since I mentioned sofa cover, I need to check out their cushion covers as well. So I'm going to check out their cushion covers now. So when you're checking out your cushion covers, I prefer cushion covers because I have so many cushions. It doesn't make sense I buy more cushion. This one caught my eye. This one would be a great gift for a child's room or just for your Christmas to bring little vibes. This lighted cushion cover, it changes colors in the Christmas and they have the theme of Christmas. So this would be a great gift to purchase. $6, not bad. Heading into the outdoor department, I'm checking on this hose. I normally see this hose advertised on a lot of persons, and $10, $13 can get you a hose. This blue one here, I saw they use it on some cars where they had the nozzle and so, and it has good storage, so you can easily store it. So the prices aren't bad for these hoses as well. So in the kids section, now is a great time to purchase gifts for the Christmas for the children. And with the ATM saving bank, I purchased this for my daughter, and it's a great saving bank. It have the code like an ATM. When you punch it in, the door is open if you want to take out anything. If you want to add money in there, there's a little hole at the top there that you put the money in and it draws it in, and it has another hole at the top for coin. Now in the tech department, they have a few stuff here that I'm not really a fond of, but as I say, they have a lot of tech item gadgets and so. I soon check out their Android boxes so you can know if you are interested. Android boxes are great tech item to have if you need to watch your movies and cable channels and so on. If you don't have a smart TV, it's a great product to buy to make your TV smart as well. So Android box, I've been using Android box for 8 years now. I don't pay for cable bill. I don't pay a cable bill, and I watch movies for free. So Android box is a great product that you can purchase, and the prices aren't bad on AliExpress. I purchase my Android boxes on AliExpress all the time, and also eBay, but most of them were purchased on AliExpress. Most of my favorite brands, or my least favorite brand, would have been the MXQ, the MX Pro. That is my least favorite brand. But other brands like the A95X and those other brands are great. Now these molding or wall border, these are great for the home. They are great products to purchase. You can purchase 3D wallpaper as well. I purchased a 3D wallpaper panel that I did in my daughter's room. I'm going to remove those to put something else there. AliExpress is great for these stuff. And the prices on Ali, once you search through and ensure that the seller is a trusted seller, you can't go wrong. Prices aren't bad at AliExpress. They comes in a wide variety of colors that you can choose from as well, and just also different design. They also have the peel and stick flooring, they have the backsplash. So when it comes to those category, AliExpress has it all. Lighting is another thing that they have great over AliExpress. So I had some customers that purchased lighting from me, and I can tell you the lighting at AliExpress aren't bad. They were satisfied, and as I say, anytime you're purchasing, you just have to know the seller you're buying from, read the review, see the actual pictures, ask the seller's question before you make your purchase. Thank you again for watching. It's your girl Renee again. See you on the next video.